First Chronicles chapter 4. YAH'udah or Judah, Shobal. Once again, there is no letter J in Hebrew, in the Hebrew alphabet. Our ancestors' names have the names of our Elohim, our Creator, Yah at the end of their name, or El as in El Shaddai, Yah as in Yahweh. Let's begin. First Chronicles chapter 4. Sons of YAH'udah or Judah: Perez, Hezron, Carmi, Shobal. Reiah, son of Shobal, became father of Yahath, and Yahath father of Ahumai and Lahad. These are the Zorathite clans. These are Abiatam, Yezreel, Ishma, and Idbash, whose sister was called Hasel Lelponai. Penuel became father of Jedor, Ezer father of Husha. These are the sons of the firstborn of Ephrathah, father of Bethlehem. Ashur, father of Tekoa, had two wives, Helah and Naarah. Naarah bore him Ahazam, Hepher, the Timnites, and the Ahashtarites. These are the sons of Naarah. Sons of Hilal: Zereth, Zohar, Etnan. Koz became father of Anub, Hazobibah, and the clans of Ahahel, son of Harum. Jabez won himself more honor than his brothers. His mother gave him the name Jabez because she said, "In distress I give birth to him." Jabez called on the Elohim of Israel. "If you truly bless me," he said, "you will extend my lands, your hand will be with me, you will keep harm away, and my distress will cease." Yahweh granted him what he had asked. Caleb. Chelub, Shuhal's brother, became father of Mehir, who was the father of Eshton. Eshton became father of Beth Rapha, Paseah, and Tehinnah, father of Nahash, brother of Ezilon the Kenizzite. These are the men of Rekah. Sons of Kenaz: Othniel and Sariah. Sons of Othniel: Hathat and Meonothai, who became father of Oprah. Sariah became father of Joab, father of Jeharashim, and they were in fact craftsmen. Sons of Caleb, son of Yephunneh: Iru, Elah, and Nam. Sons of Elah: Kenaz. Sons of Yehalalel: Ziph, Ziphah, Tyriah, Azareel. Sons of Ezra: Yether, Mered, Epher, Yalon. Then she conceived Miriam, Shammai, and Ishba, the father of Eshtemoa, whose Judean wife or Yahudian wife gave birth to Jared, father of Jiddo, Heber, father of Soko, and Yekutiel, father of Zanoah. These are the sons of Betaiah, the daughter of Pharaoh, whom Mered married. The sons of the wife of Hodiah, the sister of Naham, father of Keilah, the Gamite, and of Eshtemoa, the Maacatite. Sons of Shimon, Amnon, Rinah, Ben-Hanan, Tylon. Sons of Ishi, Zoheth, and Ben-Zoheth. Shelah. Sons of Shelah, sons of YAH'udah or Judah. Father of Leka. Lada, father of Merishah, and the clans of linen workers at Beth Ashbea. Joachim, the men of Kozibah, Joash and Seraph, who went to Moab to take wives before returning to Bethlehem. Events, these of long ago. These were potters and lived at Netaim and Jidarah. They stayed with the king there, employed in his workshop. Simeon. Sons of Simeon, Nemuel, Yamin, Yarib, Zerah, Shaul. Shalom was his son. Mibsam, his son. Mishma, his son. The sons of Mishma, Hamuel, his son. Zakkur, his son. Shimei, his son. Shimei had 16 sons and 6 daughters, but his brothers did not have many children, and the sum of their clans did not multiply as the sons of YAH'udah or Judah did. They lived in Beersheba, Moladah, and Hazar-Shual, Bilhah, Ezem, and Tolad, Bethuel, Hormah, and Ziklag, Bet Markaboth, Hazar Suzim, Beth Biri, Sha'araim. These were their tongues until the reign of David. Their outlying villages were Etam, Ain, Rimmon, Tochen, and Ashan, 5 tongues, with all the outlying villages around these tongues as far as Baalat. Here they had their settlements and snorted themselves into their various groups. Mishobab, Yamlech, Yosha, son of Amaziah, Yoel, Yehu, son of Yoshibiah, son of Seraiah, son of Aziel, Elioini, Yakoba, Yishohaya, Azariah, Adiel, Yisimiel, Benaiah, Ziza, Ben Shifi, Ben Alon, Ben Yidayah, Ben Shimrai, Ben Shemaiah. These men here named came with their clans and families. They grew in number and spread. In search of pasture for their flocks, they traveled from the Jira Pass to the eastern end of the valley, where they found good, fat pasture. The land was broad, untroubled, peaceful. Hamites had been living there before them. The Simeonites, registered by name, arrived there in the time of Hezekiah, king of YAH'udah or Judah. They overran their tents and dwelling they found there. They put them under a ban still in force today and settled in their place, since there was pasturage for their flocks. Some of them, belonging to the sons of Simeon, reached Mount Seir, 500 men led by Pelatiah, Neariah, Rephaiah, and Uzziel, the sons of Ishai. They defeated the surviving fugitive of Amalek and still live there today. Here ended the reading of 1 Chronicles chapter 4. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.